Best Plumber Snellville 30039? That would be Hubb Plumbing. Since 1987, Hubb Plumbing has been the best plumber to call in Snellville, Georgia. We repair and install plumbing fixtures, water heaters, and we can handle all water line valves and replacements easily. We're also a locally owned and operated plumbing company. You get professional and personal service. That's why we're also known as the best plumber in Lawrenceville, the best plumber in Loganville, and the best plumber in Grayson. So call us today. Hubb Plumbing. 404-925-4675. Thanks for watching.